Hey guys, this is Aaron Christie with Indy Roof Company, and I want to talk to you about how we can help you make more money for you and your clients with pre-listing inspections. When there are issues that come up at the inspection report, those things happen. We can deal with those at any point in time, but most of them are avoidable. And how we do that is anytime that you guys are going to put a house on the market, instead of just throwing it on there and waiting till the inspection comes out, call us. We will come out, we will do a full photo report of the property, we will look for storm damages, and if there's any issues, we can help the insurance company and the insured party go through and get all those fixed. If there's not any issues, then you have a full photo report and a full written report from us that you can turn in at the end and say, hey, everything's good. But here's the key. If there is, then we get to go through, we can get them new roofs, new gutters, new sidings, new paint, depends on what's damaged on the property. But if you do these things, it increases the value. And I'm gonna show you some photos of a house that we recently did, and we were able to get roof, gutters, siding, paint, and it actually ended up, they got to list it for $30,000 more by the time we were done increasing this. It was a total facelift on the property for one call. And these are the things that can really help you beforehand, because if you call us afterwards, you say, oh, hey, we just got the inspection report that's done. You guys have already agreed on a price. And then now we're doing this and adding all of this value to this home when you could be capitalizing off of that at the end by using that in your sales. So we really want to discuss this with you and get something set up with a project manager that can do these. They're absolutely free. So just give us a call, 317-281-5672, and we will get somebody to talk to you, and hopefully we can set up this relationship and help you make more money.